Alright guys, what's going on and welcome back. Before I get into what I'm going to make today, I just want to give some recognition and some thanks to some other channels out there, some other barbecue and food channels, specifically Barbecue Pit Dog, Rob from Florida. Thanks for sharing the other video I just did and just always putting positive comments on my videos. I really appreciate that. Also, the reason I'm doing this video is because Alton from the Dogfather's Barbecue channel issued a challenge. I'll get into that in just a second. There's other channels also, Unhinged Barbecue, Joe from Smokin' Joe's Pit Barbecue, also new subscribers, CJ from Cooking with CJ. I'm a big fan of that channel. I like watching all the hot seat interviews, which are pretty cool. I'm gonna leave links to all their channels down below, so go ahead and check those out if you haven't already. They got really good content if you want some hardcore barbecue. And also just to all the loyal subscribers. I know it's a small channel, but I really appreciate all the positivity, all the good comments. Keep them coming. Thank you. But what I'm making today is a grilled cheese. It's a grilled cheese challenge that Alton from the Dogfather's Barbecue channel sent out to me and I accepted it. I thought about how I was gonna do this grilled cheese because one of them is supposed to be a traditional grilled cheese sandwich done on an actual grill. I got my Weber kettle grill with the slow and sear. I'm gonna do that. And then the other grilled cheese is basically a blank canvas and you can put whatever you want on it as long as it's mainly about grilled cheese. You guys think this is enough cheese? Also, I'm gonna be using some sourdough bread and just simply butter the bread and just do it on the grill. Got some Munster, some sharp cheddar, got that good old American cheese. When you were a little kid and did grilled cheese, this is the stuff you use, so I'm gonna use that. And I got some Parmesan. I'm gonna do a little Parmesan crust on the outside of the bread. Hopefully it works out right. So stick around and check it out. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is get your cheese organized. Like I said, I got that Munster and the extra sharp cheddar. The Munster is gonna be good for the gooiness. And I thought about using smoked Gouda because I've used it in the past, but I just want to change it up a little bit. And then you're gonna get a good cheesy flavor from the extra sharp cheddar. And there's all kinds of other stuff you could throw in there. I thought about doing pulled pork, jalapenos, just all kinds of other stuff. But I'm just keeping it simple with the bacon. Then I got a cheese sauce going. I'm just doing a fried mac and cheese patty, making the sauce right here. I'm not gonna get too detailed on how I'm doing that. A couple videos ago, I did some fried mac and cheese balls. So if anyone's interested, go check that out. I'll just link that down below. So I just threw it in the fridge, let it get nice and solidified. And I'm using this sourdough bread as kind of like a template. And I'm gonna form this patty. Just gonna kind of smush it down a little bit, kind of form it to the size of the bread. Then you're gonna throw it in the freezer, let it get more solidified. Heat some oil up in a pan. Then we're gonna take it out and bread it in some ground up Cheetos. Just like that. And then we're gonna shallow fry this for about 4 minutes, about 325 to 350. Flip it over every minute or so. Try not to burn it. And all you're gonna do is just set it off to the side. And we got the sourdough bread. We're just gonna butter this, super simple. Got some unsalted butter, 1 clove of garlic, a little bit of kosher salt, and some cayenne pepper. I'm just gonna mix it up and butter some bread. And that's the majority of the prep work right there. We're just gonna go out back and fire up the grill. We got the bacon, we got that fried mac and cheese patty. Looks like a hash brown, but it's not. It's gonna be good. All right, so all I'm doing is just heating this bacon back up. I'm literally just gonna take you like 30 seconds because it's gonna burn. It's a pretty hot fire. Then I'm throwing the bread butter side down and you're gonna get some flare ups because of the fat on there. So you wanna keep your eye on it and give it flips every couple seconds. And keep your eye on it because you don't want it to burn. And get it like a light char on it like that. And you're good to go. We're just gonna do that traditional grilled cheese with the American and the sharp cheddar. Then we're gonna layer the other side up with that same cheese, but I'm putting a combination with that Munster in there. And that mac and cheese patty and some bacon. Then finish it off with a little more cheese. Then throw a lid on it, let it go for a little while and check back. We got that Parmesan cheese crust we're gonna throw on there, give it a little more time, give it a flip, and throw some more cheese on, and that's pretty much it. That's a mess. All right, so it's definitely not the prettiest thing, but it tastes really good. You taste the saltiness from the Parmesan crust I put on there. Super crunchy. And the bacon, dude. I mean, obviously this isn't the kind of thing you're gonna make every day. The only time you're actually gonna ever grill grilled cheese on actual grills if you go camping or something like that. But it was a fun thing to do. All right, so if I was ever to do this again, a couple things I would change is make the mac and cheese patty a little thinner. And with the grill, it wasn't hot enough towards the end, so I couldn't melt the cheese as much as I wanted to. But overall, I mean, it tastes good. It's a grilled cheese with the mac and cheese. Parmesan crust is a little messy. It's kind of unnecessary. I just wanted to be a little extra with it, but thanks to Alton and the Dogfather's Barbecue channel and whoever else participated in the challenge. I appreciate it. Peace out.